I hope you are all okay upon watching this lesson. Now, we will discuss on how linear functions applied in real life. So, our topic would be applications of linear functions, quarter 2, module 5. What is the objective of this lesson? The objective is, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to solve word problems involving linear functions. To do the first activity, let's have to prepare a ball pen and a paper for you to write your answers. Okay, the activity is named Find My Pair. Directions: match the verbal phrase in column A to the mathematical phrase in column B. Write the letter that corresponds to your answer in your prepared paper or in your notebook. This activity will enable you to recall your knowledge on how to translate verbal phrase to mathematical phrase. Okay, let's have the problem. For column A, number 1, the sum of the numbers x and y. Number 2, the squares of the sum of x and y. Number 3, twice the sum of x and y. Number 4, the product of 4 and the sum of x and y. Number 5, thrice the product of x and y. Okay, start answering now. Okay, I'll count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Number 1, C. Number 2, D. Number 3, E. Number 4, B. And number 5, letter A or Sedeba. Okay. Those who got perfect, congratulations. Very good. Meaning that you have mastered all your lessons in grade 7. And for those who did not get the correct answer, don't worry. Now, let's have the problem. But before answering the problem, let us find out what is our lesson all about. What is it? So, there are a lot of relationships between two variables that exist in real life. A change in the value of the independent variable, say x, may cause an effect on the value of the dependent variable, say y, with respect to the slope and intercepts. Okay, let us consider this example. An agent of a mobile phone receives a commission of 700 pesos per every phone he can sell, plus the basic monthly salary of 12,000 from his company. So what is our problem asked for? So we are asked to find the number of or the amount the agent receives if the agent can sell 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 phones. How much is his salary? His monthly salary. Okay, if you have the idea on how to answer this, you write your answer in your paper. If he can sell 1, or 2, or 3, or 4 phones, how much is his monthly salary? Okay, write your answer now. Okay, let's find out. So we can express this situation as a linear function, y equals 700x plus 12,000. The amount the agent receives in a month varies depending on the number of mobile phones he can sell. Okay, let's find out your answer now. Solutions. Let x be the number of phones he can sell in a month, and let y be the total amount he receives in a month. Okay, solutions. We have answered now. The number of mobile phones sold represented by X, and the total amount received represented by Y. So this is now the table of values. So how much he received if he can sell one phone? 12,700. If it is 2, 13,400. If it is 3, 14,100. If it is 4, 14,800. And if it is 5, 15,500. What if he can sell 6 or 7 or 8 phones? So are your answers the same? Or do we have the same answer? Okay, very good. Let's clap our hands for that. Okay, let's find out how it is being solved. What equation is used? Equation. Y equals 700x plus 12,000. Why is it 700? We get this from the commission he received after he can sell phones. And the 12,000 is his monthly salary. X there represents the number of cell phone sold. So using the equation, we are going to substitute the value of X, which is 8. Then multiply it to 700 plus 12,000. So the product would be 5,600 plus 12,000. Then y is equal to 17,600. So 17,600 is his monthly salary after he can sell 8 phones. So meaning, if you were an agent, the more cell phone you can sell, the bigger the amount you receive. So if you were the agent, what will you do to make a bigger monthly salary? So you are going to strive hard to sell more phones for you to have a bigger salary. Now, let's solve another problem. This is what I have learned. So again, let us solve another problem. And directions, solve the problem. What is our problem? A certain flower that is 10 centimeters tall is planted. This flower grows an approximate of 5-10 centimeter per day. How tall will it be after 6 days or 10 days? So, what is being planted? A flower. What is the height of the, or how tall is the flower when planted? It is 10 centimeters. What is the approximate growth of the flower per day? That is 0.5 centimeters. So, we are asked to find the height of the flower after 6 days or in 10 days. Okay, so since we all love to plant, to plant, to plant flowers, since we are all now interested to plant flowers, we are called plantitos or plantitas, so we are one of them. So let us solve this problem. Again, write your answer in your paper if you have the idea on how tall the flower is after 6 days or in 10 days. Let's reveal the answer. So X is for the number of days and Y for the height of the flower. So how tall is the flower after 2 days, 4 days, 6 days, 8, and 10 days. So if you are going to solve after 6 days, the flower will be 13 centimeters. Okay, so what is the advantage of planting not only flowers but also vegetables and other uh, plant, no? So I think this, aside from adding beauty to our surroundings, it also subtracting stress, no? Subtracting stress from all of us. So therefore, we must plant flowers. Just like human beings, plants also needs to be taken care of for it to grow higher and produces more flowers. So congratulations, your answers are correct. A big hand for everybody. But for those who did not get the correct answer, don't worry, you still have chance to answer it correctly. Please feel free to ask questions to our group chat or send your questions to our messenger or contact me in my cell phone number 0951-850-2688 from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. Stay safe.